Hold up. Did this man just admit to using cocaine for days after being charged with killing someone while high on cocaine? Welcome to one of the most jaw-dropping courtroom moments you'll ever witness. We got Walter Leroy, charged with operating while intoxicated causing death. And what does he do? Tests positive for the same drug that allegedly killed someone. But wait, it gets worse. He's about to tell the judge he threw away the cocaine by using it. Buckle up, because this judge is not having it, and neither will you.
Case, People versus Walter LaCroix.
Ready, Judge.
Yeah, Jonathan, on behalf of the people.
Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender, Mr. Walter LaCroix. Mr. LaCroix, please state your name for the record.
Walter LaCroix.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Emmons about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his, it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. Croy given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was
positive. Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report. I don't
from August 28th.
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen.
Yes, mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have on. So he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
I believe he was arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tested on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Stop right there. Let's break this down, because this is insane. Walter Leroy was arraigned on August 16 for operating while intoxicated causing death. With cocaine as the intoxicant, the court ordered him to stay clean and test regularly. 4 days later, on August 20th, he tests positive for cocaine, the same substance that allegedly caused someone's death. This isn't just a violation. It's a slap in the face to the victim's family and the entire justice system. How do you get charged with killing someone while high and then immediately go use again? The audacity is mind-blowing.
I'm aware of that.
Then, on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. I didn't have to test again because I had just tested. I was just signing up to test in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
All right. Let's go back a moment because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously. I don't think he's.
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer. But he previously was. He began testing, transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him to test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections and tested here. And he is going to change if the court allows
him. He tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet.
I was informed about it this morning myself.
So Go ahead, Mr. Green.
Thank you, Judge. So rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth. To do
Okay.
that testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Okay.
So let me get this right. He's charged, I just want to make sure. So I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated, causing death.
Yes, Your Honor.
The intoxicant in that charge is cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in arraigned. So now he knows what he's charged with.
Yes.
He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
Yes. He tests positive.
he tests positive for cocaine.
The judge is building up to something here, and you can feel the tension rising. She's methodically laying out the timeline. Charged with killing someone while on cocaine, arraigned, ordered to stay clean, and then boom, positive for cocaine just 4 days later. This judge is a master at letting defendants dig their own graves. Watch what happens next when she asks him about the cocaine. This is where it gets absolutely wild. Pay attention to his excuse. You won't believe what he's about to say.
Hey,
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
in your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And then
I
you
threw
just
it away.
smoked it.
I threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where do you throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where do you throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used
I
it.
know.
I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it and I.
Oh, you
of the
used
tray.
it then. Okay, so it
There was only a
didn't
little
stay,
bit.
it didn't stay on the tray.
And I disposed of the tray.
You
Yeah.
just say dispose of cocaine by using it. This has to be the worst excuse in courtroom history. I threw it away in my nose. The judge's sarcasm is perfect here. This man literally just admitted to using cocaine after being charged with killing someone while on cocaine. And his defense is that he was getting rid of it by consuming it. The mental gymnastics here are Olympic level. How did his lawyer not facepalm through the desk? Tell me in the comments. Have you ever heard a worse excuse than this?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well.
And since then, I haven't touched it since.
What's that?
Okay, he probably stopped using because he's coming today.
Please.
And yeah,
I'm printing them now.
you're printing him. Mm. I haven't touched that since. So somebody needs to answer for me, why was he using after being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge? And why was he using?
I
I
don't,
have my theory, Your Honor.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still using.
Honestly, I don't see how.
Oh,
I have-
really? Hold on.
I've never
But you know what?
Yeah.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me.
Honestly, I'm not.
Okay. We'll just make sure that you, because it has to be in your system in order for you to test positive. And that you, that it's been signed.
Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this? That's my copy, though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. We need all of this on the record.
And the last positive, 22nd to 7 days later.
Yeah. 7 days later. And the little bit he threw away.
Oh no,
That
the judge just caught him in another lie. He tested positive again 7 days later. So much for I haven't touched it since. This judge's BS detector is on fire, and she's not holding back. The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me. That's judge speak for you're about to have a very bad day. His story is falling apart faster than a house of cards in a hurricane. The defense attorney knows this is going south fast. Watch how he tries to salvage this disaster.
Hey,
Okay.
go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm messing up your story.
Oh, I know. Okay. But all I've done is I've used it in the chair that I saw. I've used it in the chair. And that was it. When it's second, well, no, I have not. Okay. Well, we'll tell them that, but, you know, medically. I know. I want to do this. I want to the truth. Okay.
To answer your previous question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Judge.
Just so that we know.
Thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
Sure.
clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem when he's testing there. He is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to not say that.
Right. No.
No, you have to stay.
Go ahead. Anything else?
All I can say, Your Honor.
Tell you the truth.
Okay.
My cousin doesn't allow anything. It's possible. I have friends at my mother's house, but I'm cousin's house to do work down there. Okay. Because I'm gonna eventually reside down at my cousin's house.
All right. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Except that he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's going to do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test.
The defense attorney just threw in the towel. Clearly he has a problem. Yeah, no kidding. But here's what's really happening. They're trying to play the addiction card to get sympathy, but this judge isn't buying it. She just pointed out the brutal truth. How can someone follow a treatment program when they can't even follow basic court orders? He's asking for mercy after showing zero respect for the court or the victim's family. The judge is about to drop the hammer, and honestly, it's completely justified.
Yes, Judge.
So it seems you may have two options. I can let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. Allegedly. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.
9/12.
9/12.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
And there it is, bond revoked. This judge just delivered one of the most powerful reality checks we've ever seen. Walter Leroy came in thinking he could talk his way out of multiple cocaine violations after being charged with killing someone while high on cocaine. Instead, he's heading straight to jail. The judge's final words hit like a sledgehammer. I can allow him to go back out there, use some more cocaine, and kill somebody else. That's the harsh reality of addiction meeting accountability. This case shows exactly why judges take bond violations seriously. Lives are literally at stake. If this case shocked you as much as it shocked us, smash that like button. Drop your thoughts and comment below. Seriously, what would you have done as a judge? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we've got more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns coming your way. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.